Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here to discuss the continuation series of OOPS concepts, that is a polymorphism. So what is polymorphism actually? So poly means many, morphism means forms. So the English meaning is many forms. So we'll correlate the word polymorphism to our Java programming language. Let's see how we do this. So basically, let's say you have same method name over here. I've written the code already as a ready-made. So we have same method name over here, which is add. But if you see, the arguments might differ. So here it is int a, int b, and here it is double a, double b. So this is in the class calculator. So calculator will have multiple functionalities like add, subtract, and divide. But here I'm showing only add functionality. So this method will do addition of two integers. This method will do addition of two floating numbers. That is 1.2, 1.3 like that. But this is only integer 1 or 2. So let's see. So this, let me walk you through this code. So what actually happens is, if you say like I've written a main class over here. This, like in polymorphism, we have two types. One is compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. In compile time polymorphism is also called as overloading, whereas runtime polymorphism is also called as overriding. In this, first let's discuss about the overloading. Okay, as I already explained you about these two methods, let's see in real time how it works. Okay, I'm creating the calculator object over here, and this is the reference of the calculator object reference variable. Using this calculator reference, I'm calling the method by passing integer variables over here and float variables over here. So how this actually executes? See, this add method will call this method, and this add method will call this method. It will automatically go to this method based on the arguments you pass over here. Okay, so if I do a control click over here, it is going here. And the same way, if I do control click over here, it is going over here. So let me execute this program now. It's running. Yeah, it's obvious, right? So you got the output 1 plus 2 is 3, 1.2 plus 1.5 is 2.7. So this is the flow of actually. So this is overloading. I've already written a ready-made code in order to use the time efficiently. So let me show you for overriding as well. Overriding, I've written a class named animal. In this, it has one method called make sound. I just written some println statement which will print some voice. Okay, and one more class as dog, and it makes sound as bow wow. Okay, let this is called overriding. So you are overriding the animal method in this dog class by using extends keyword. Extends is the keyword to inherit, right, as we have seen in the previous videos. Let me demonstrate this as well. So now I'm creating an animal object, new animal, and if I do animal dot make sound, what will it print? It will print this one. Okay, so let's see. For now, I'll comment this one to in order to avoid confusion, and let me print this. Yep, it's obvious, right? So it is going to the animal class and executing this method. In overriding, the actual runtime object will be taken into consideration. So now how can you call the dog method? Animal, actually we need to create a dog object. Dog d equal to new dog. Okay, d dot make sound. Now let me execute this. So now I'll comment this one. So it's saying it's printing the dog sound. Wow, wow. That's the it's a concept over here. We are overriding the method. So child reference, we'll make one more example. Animal A equal to new dog. Now what it will print? We'll see. Okay, let me comment this now and execute this. Now it's again printing bow wow. So what does it mean? It means, as I said, in overriding, the runtime object plays key role, not the reference. Though you're using animal reference and calling makes on method, here the runtime object is making actually impact. So that's the concept of polymorphism, as we discussed, like overloading and overriding. This is some practical example you can see. Yep, we'll continue for the more topics in upcoming videos. Until then, stay tuned. If you like my video, please hit subscribe, bell icon to get notified whenever I upload new concept. Thank you.